Hello everybody, it is time for day 23, Christmas Eve. On the other side of this bookshelf over here. Oh, what is, oh, almost can't see it. Ooh, this is nice. It almost looks like it glows in the dark. I've got no home, I haven't got control, and I can't see any escape. I should get a new keyboard. And this is a Cherry MX Ergo Clear 40-gram tactile switch PCB mount RGB switch. It's not too bad. You know I like my clicky switches, but this would definitely fit with my setup. I will see you tomorrow on Christmas Eve, the last day.